Assalamu alaikum. Today, we will explore an incredible question. What is the Earth floating on? A mysterious answer through the eyes of science and the Qur'an. Have you ever thought, what exactly is this massive Earth standing on? The ground you're standing on, the soil you touch, where does it all end? And what lies beneath it? Let's dive deep today to understand where the Earth is, how it floats, and what it floats on. Part 1. In the eyes of science, Earth's position and floating nature. Science says the Earth is not standing on anything. It is a spherical object floating in space, orbiting the Sun at nearly 30 kilometers per second. At the same time, the Sun itself is moving rapidly toward the center of the Milky Way galaxy, and the galaxy too is drifting across a vast universe. In other words, the Earth is suspended in space, but held in place by the force of gravity tethered to the Sun. No pillars, no poles. Just a perfect balance of gravitational force and orbital motion is keeping us alive. Beneath the Earth lies nothing but outer space, a silent, dark, cold void. Part 2. Through the lens of the Qur'an, a divine indication. The Qur'an says, greater than. It is Allah who created the heavens and the earth. He raised the sky without any pillars that you can see. Surah Ar-Ra'd 13-2, and again. He created the earth and established balance in the heavens. Surah Ar-Rahman 55-7. These verses point to a powerful truth. The earth is not supported by any physical structure or object. Instead, it exists in a state of flawless balance. A reality that mankind has slowly come to understand with time. 1400 years ago, when many believed that the Earth stood on the back of a giant turtle or bull, the Quran had already declared the Earth is not placed upon any visible base, but is maintained through the perfect wisdom and balance established by Allah. Part 3. Not imagination, but reality. You may now wonder, how are we living on a globe that's floating in the middle of space? The answer: gravity. This invisible force keeps our feet on the ground, stops oceans from floating away into the sky, holds our atmosphere around the planet. But if this balance is disturbed even a little, if Earth's orbit tilts just slightly, we might either fall into the burning sun or be flung into the freezing darkness of outer space. Conclusion: Earth stands on nothing visible. It is part of a floating, miraculous system designed by Allah, where everything, velocity, internal structure, and gravity, is held together in perfect harmony. What science proves today, the Quran hinted at centuries ago.